Okay, good day everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And as you can see, we are back to a rolling chassis for the first time in 4 years. We'll see if we'll get it bolted on first, and we'll worry about that. Alright.
So now those chains look like they're getting in the way.
They shouldn't. Alright, now you gotta push on the whole stand.
This whole stand.
Yep. Easy. Okay, wait. Alright, go ahead. Hold on. Alright, go ahead. Hold on. Okay, come forward. Oh, wait. It doesn't.
You want me to get on that side and push the mount over a little bit?
I think it works. See, it's sitting at a little bit of an angle up there. If I can get. Let me see. More. Keep going. Keep going.
More?
Okay, no.
This is that.
I'm gonna make sure it's not cross-threaded.
Don't think it says.
It's an inch and a 1/16.
I don't think it's cross-threaded.
No.
Just tension it. You have the ratchet. Yeah, you should have a ratchet and a hinge. 16's one. Won't fit, damn it. Oh.
So we'll get your toolkit and use it.
So it's stuck with this.
Okay, spin the.
This one?
Yep, spin it again. Oh, wait. Shit. Just go back and forth.
And that connects right here.
Okay, that's sucking in now. There it goes.
I'll grab another wrench. Yeah, it's going in.
Are you sure? Because there's quite a gap. Well, that must be because we have it up so high. I'm gonna put it down just a hair. Yeah, that's. It'll
This
help
right
draw
here?
it together. No, down further. It'll help draw it together.
With the washer?
Huh?
With the washer? Which way?
Yeah.
Which way do you want the head to face? Like this part to face out, or
No, I want it to go back.
I don't know if I can thread that yet. No, I can't thread that yet. not going to ever tip over when we, or anything like that when we're, oh wait, no, because it's being held up by the axles and stuff now.
Do we have something that we can shim this with?
I can go find it, like a 1/4 inch board.
Yep. Yep. Because right now there's no weight on the... Go ahead, give it here. That needs to make sure it's not weight, but it doesn't interfere with getting in front of it.
Yep.
Okay. That way, at least if it tips up on us, it'll catch it.
Which, is the oil filter a regular oil filter, or is it just like one you can, it's built onto the tractor, you can't replace it?
No, you can replace it. You just can't replace the
Canister?
steel.
Oh! Well, that you'd have to find something for. You'd have to find somebody.
Well, you'd have to find a parts tractor.
Parts tractor, find somebody that has one.
Not ideal.
This is the sketchy part.
Okay, pull it out carefully.
Okay.
I gotta get these out.
So we can jack it up and put it on there?
Yep.
It's gonna look weird once they're not, when it sits on.
Oh,
speeds.
no.
What? Did you pop out?
Got that. Okay. Work your side around. Okay. Straight back.
I know I am. Good?
Yeah, we're a little bit too far your way.
So we gotta scooch it over. I think we're still a little too far over.
Yeah, it's back.
Yeah, we're too far over still. Okay, we're too far over my side.
Don't let it go over forwards.
Okay.
That's about where I want to be. Now, can you hold it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, for real.
And so after this, we will put the other tires on
Yeah.
and have a rolling chassis. What?
What is that? So, okay, it does. Interesting. lift up on this bar.
Here, I'll put the wrench through.
No. Here.
The bar? Okay.
A little higher. Wait. Oh shit. Oh. Okay. Up.
Good mouse.
Okay, let up. Let go.
No, I'm just doing it carefully in case something happens. Because if something happens, I don't want to be able to catch it, so I don't break nothing.
Just wait. Okay?
What happens if it doesn't? You gotta jack it up again?
Oh, then we gotta put a jack on the other side. Alright, pull them out.
All three of this one?
Yep. Here.
What?
Bring that one here.
This one?
Yep.
That was loud.
Yep. Oh.
Leave
It's
it?
gonna, it's gotta come down. Okay, I'm gonna let her down slowly. Alright. Now get it under here and set it up. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you go up a click higher or no?
No, I'd have to go up. It's like right on the edge.
There. Okay. She's bearing weight.
Alright.
Let's get these off.
Get those off, and then I'm gonna go grab a tea.
Okay.
How come one part of the 3 points painted and the other's not?
What are you talking about?
It's got maroon on it.
What are you? Oh, cause. That's. Yep.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Once we get it on the lip, it should stay. That side's off.
Yeah.
What about that side?
Quite.
Crank up?
Yeah, a little more. There, hold on.
Oh, it's off.
Wait. You might have to take the other one while I push down.
Ready?
Yeah.
Push.
Wait.
There we go. Lower it. Look.
Let her down.
Yeah, you need a longer bolt.
No, I think it'll catch. Just that this one's going to sit opposite of the others. Yeah. I went ahead and put the cross on, and then We've got engine bolted up to transmission. We've got our steering shaft back together. We've got our newly mounted rear tires on. And we've got our 3-point set and ready to go. So I did find that I've got front tire issues. I was really hoping I would get by with these, but I'm not going to be able to, so I'll be ordering 2 new front tires and tubes and getting those put on so that I can actually get it back on the ground. And meanwhile, while I'm waiting for that, my next step is going to be getting this thing ready to fire. So I took a couple of the head bolts loose to put brackets and things on, so I need to go back through and I need to torque all of these back to spec again, make sure that that's good to go. I need to put oil in it, make sure that that's ready. I did put a rough battery on it today, and it spun over and it spun the engine, so that's all set and ready to go. Carb is on it. I do have this makeshift gas tank on here, so I'm not going to worry about the gas tank because I need to clean it. I need to put a liner in it. So before I do any of that, I've got other things that I want to get done. So for now, we're going to use this gas tank, and I'll just run a line down to the carburetor and we'll get that all set and ready to go. And the final thing that I've got to do is the distributor. I still have to put that back together, and that's going to be my next video, getting it rebuilt. I painted it last year, but I've got all the new components that need to go back in, and so we'll get a video up on what that looks like. And once that's done, we'll get that back on the engine. We'll get the spark plug wires put on, and hopefully in the next 5 days or so here I can post a video of the first start in who knows how many years. Pretty stoked for that. I put a lot of time and energy into this, and I'm really looking forward to hearing this thing run a little bit. Once that's done and I know that everything is happy and it's going to run, then I'll start working on some of the other things like the radiator, the gas tank, the gauges, actually building a wire harness that I can get everything wired in and then take it back off again when I'm ready to paint. So all of that is yet to come after we get this thing started, and then I'm hoping late fall to be able to take it out and run it around a little bit without the steel panels on it, and then really late fall potentially strip the steel panels of their paint, knowing that I'm not going to have to deal with flash rust, and then I've got all winter and some of spring to get those things ready for paint in early spring. Again, hopefully the next video is we get to hear this thing start and run. Alright, so until next time, take your foot off the clutch. Thanks everybody.